What's up, Andre? What's up, Andre? Yeah. That's, oh, okay,
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Long time no see. Been on a little bit of a vacation, but we back now. We about to see what we can do with this market. I already know what type of trade I'm looking for today. I'm gonna try to capitalize on it. I took a loss yesterday, got clapped up, but hey, it is what it is. I see a trade that I think we might potentially get into, so let me just share my screen and we are lit. But Martin, you can hear me from here. Like, do you hear me really loud right now? Like, I'm trying to figure out which mic you hear me from.
I can hear you pretty good right now, man. Like, it sounds good.
Like, is it really good right now?
It sounds like,
Or is it better right now?
a little clear if you were to,
It's like hard to tell. That's cool, bro. Fuck it.
oh, right there sounds good.
It's like I can't tell if it's this one or this one. That's why.
I think it's your big mic that changes the,
You can hear?
yeah, the closer you get to that mic, the one that your mouth is by, or the one that's
So you still hear me then?
the mic, like, the nice microphone,
You still hear me? You still you don't hear me?
the big microphone, yeah,
You don't hear me?
the big microphone. That one works good.
You don't hear me?
That one sounds good.
What? You don't hear me?
Can't hear you, bro. Okay, it's that one. Shit. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm like sitting there. I'm like trying to tell you. I'm asking, do you hear me? And you're like, yeah, it's the other one. I'm like, do you hear me? I'm like, wait a minute. You don't even hear me. But all right, we lit. That's a fun little start. But let's get into this. It feels good being at the setup now. So much room. But now we're start by marking the previous day's high, which has not been ran through yet, but is looking like it potentially will be soon. I am already bullish, and I'm going to explain why in a second. After I get this ad out of my ear. Ooh. But all right, now we have the previous day high, previous day low. I'm going to mark up the 12 a.m. open, which is going to be right in here. And as you can see, I'm pretty sure this could potentially be our low of the day down here. When we ran below these lows, cleared it during the London set. This is London or early New York. This is like pre-New York. Let me get this off. Made that low, but also I want to draw a fib from the previous day's low and the previous day's high to see if we potentially have a retracement that could potentially come if we didn't already tap into a level. And we already did tap into it, and that's when we made that low of the day. So that's just another reason for me to believe that there's a potential chance that price might continue higher. And if you also look, we have this 2 down candles right here that price is trading off of. So what I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be keeping this main order block that price traded already off of, and I'm also going to be keeping this one in mind right here. So these 4 down candles is also the order block that London session made. And what I'm going to do is to refine it, I'm going to just draw the 50%. If I draw that 50%, is going to be, it looks like it might be in confluence with the high of the first order block I drew. And look at that. So now I can just refine that first order block to here. And this is ideally where I'm going to look to try to enter for a long. And why do I want to go long? Because I see that this low that was made during London session was below the 12 a.m. open. It traded into a fib long from the previous day's low to the previous day's high. And I'm also keeping in mind the day of the week. It is what, Wednesday? Tuesday? Wednesday? So we'll see. I think price is going to have a pretty good chance of continuing higher. And where am I targeting? I'm targeting the previous day's high. And I'm going to be targeting also the high from the day before that. So just previous other days highs also for a longer term target. Might not get there, but we'll see. That's the idea that I have. I'm also going to be drawing a fib from this low down here and this high, because this is going to be our retracement that we're going to be looking at catching. So here, just like this, draw it from there, get the regular fib settings, and just like that, it's in confluence with that high also. So what I'm going to do with this other levels over here, I'm going to move these over here. Matter of fact, I'm going to just take them off. We already know that that's what we want to see. And then we have this low of the day potentially. Just like that. So right now, I'm really just looking for a retracement down to around this 12,600 area to look for a potential long. We have 12,700 where price is currently at right now. 12,800 above the previous day's high, so this could be even a target right here. Then 12,900 by, I think, Monday's high. Monday's high. And then what levels do we have below the low of the day? We have the 500 level by the previous day's low. So we'll see what happens. I'm bullish, like I said. And ideally what I want to see happen is a retracement to then push. If I can get a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 setup from that, I think that would be pretty valid. Did you do any analysis before the Zoom? What did you what were your predictions? At 8 o'clock? Okay, right here. Oh, you went short? I mean, yeah, I could see it going short. I just wouldn't have took it just because risk to reward wise. How much is your stop loss? Yeah, and like even if it comes down here, that's only like a 1 to 1.2. So I mean, it could still fall, but if you would have had a better stop loss potentially, it would have made the trade a little bit better. So if you maybe would have went to a lower time frame and try to put it above this high now right here, instead of say 50 points, because if you know it breaks this high, it's more than likely probably going to come for the Asian range high right here. So that's one way you can kind of cut your stop loss a little bit shorter also, because once it breaks that high, it could also have a false break, but regardless, it might still touch that 50 points. So it's better just to cut it short and wait for a potential short. Okay, yeah, because 50 is like right here. So think about it. Even if it comes to the Asian session high, it could still have a wick. So it might stop you out. So it's always better to cut it early. But hey, if you want to hold it, that's all good. Yeah, it's a little bit bullish, and I'm just let me check the higher time frame though first too, before I get any crazy bias.
I feel like it needed a little bit bigger pullback, but if it's bullish, it may not want to go lower than that
Yeah, it
60.
definitely can. I see what you mean with the pullback for sure. The only thing is with these pairs, a lot of the time they just trend, and if I'm looking at it good, if I pull a fib from last week's low to this current week's high, there might have been a continuation. Close. Yeah, there was even a continuation. There is still a chance that it could fall, but in my opinion, it looks like it could even be having a retracement all the way up here to 12,800 to then fall lower to clear these highs potentially and make people think we're gonna keep going bullish.
Yeah, because there's like a line right there too. So like that like a liquidity area about 12,762. So what's the big figure level? 800. It'll try to take those stops.
Nah, real shit. Hold on, where'd my fib go? There we go. Yeah, look where it is, right up here.
Bro got a 10 pip stop loss. Dude, that's pretty nice. I like that.
But now look at this fib retracement, like right here. Hold on, let me zoom in. Let me take everything off and then show you. I drew the fib from this high to this low, and this high right here I want to see get taken liquidity wise, and then I want to see 12,800 tapped into. And now when let's go down to, let's look at the stuff. Look at the fib right there. Previous day's high, that high, and this Asian session range. So we could potentially start to accumulate orders in this low area right here before falling. Or price is just going to keep falling, and if it does do that, where is it going to come down to? Now we could draw that fib again from that previous day's low, previous week's low, my bad, to that same high that we drew the fib short at. So up to this high right here, up to this high right here, because that's the whole move right there. From this is the start. This was the lowest point. This could have been the lowest point, but you can see it came down again and basically accumulated more orders. Boom, 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 boom. Up here, this is the highest point before we start coming down. We draw the fib, and now where is it likely to retrace to? Let's look at the 38.20% level, which is right here now. So this is going to be a little area that we're going to be looking out for. And is that a potential big figure level? 12,400 right there. So 12,400 is going to also be a potential target if price does just melt to the downside. But yeah, now let me go check the daily and weekly time frame to really get a good example of what I can see. Where's the music at? Yeah, let me zoom out. Yeah, everything's pretty bullish. We do have that bearish candle though, so I am going to be keeping that in mind. But did we retest this high of this? Yeah, we retested this high right here, so we could try to keep pushing bullish, at least maybe into here. But this order block is more than likely. It looks like it could hold since we're in such bearish environment. We gonna have to see, honestly. Intraday, we could just start accumulating and start ranging. So we might, yeah, we gonna see. Right now, price looks like it's trying to go even higher. So as of right now, there's not even a trade.
I'm all out. I took about 50. How much percentage is that? Yeah, it was essentially break even, bro. I didn't even take. It was negligible the amount of pips.
Yeah. But we gonna see. Right now, it looks like price could even come up to this fib up here and try to have like a false break of the previous day's high. And if that happens, I might look for a short. Honestly, I think that's what I might do. Because then that's gonna be a really good trade. Because then that kind of plays with the higher time frame. Yesterday was bearish retracement, and then I could just short it to see if we can continue having this retracement like you were talking about.
It just the only reason I say that is because of the higher time frame, but you're a lot better at the smaller time frame targets and how candles play out still. So
Shit, it's all the same, bro. What you would do on the higher time frame, all you gotta do is just do the same thing with the lower time frame. Because you gotta keep in mind, all the candles are the same at the end of the day. Like, it all moves the same each time frame. You just gotta start. You just gotta see the patterns enough to kind of just understand how they move.
And the 12 a, it's above 12 a.m. open, so these would be times to sell, right? Like the more preferable times to sell.
Yeah, now that we're above, this is kind of a better environment if we are going to fall. But if today ends up being bullish, you would ideally want to be buying below here and not really selling up here. So if you're on the right buys, you should be good, but it always depends. I'm going to get the 50% of this Asian range from this other day, from 2 days ago. I'm going to see where this matches up with. Matches right at that 62%. I'm trying to figure out stop loss wise what I'm going to do. What's US30 doing? Okay, US30 is pushing above the previous day's high already from yesterday. So what I might look for, oh no, it's not. What I might look for is to see how US30 reacts to this previous day's high. What level is that? 33,300. Yeah, there's more than likely gonna have some reaction here. There's a lot of liquidity above this high. Look at this. Grab all that liquidity for a potential drop. I think that could happen. We're gonna say. Yeah, it's already looking like it's trying to reject that Asian session high, but I don't want to go short there. I would rather it come a little bit higher first. It's like 12,760 to 12,800. We still got time. We got nothing but time right now.
Yeah, that was a fun little trade, man. It was really risky now looking at it.
Yeah, it's always risky with the reversal trades.
Yeah, I was like, but it makes sense now to grab just time of day too, man. Like honestly, it's within the range, but where is this time and price match, and is it taking anything liquidity before the move? Like, gotta ask myself those questions.
Yeah, bro, you just gotta read the picture, read the higher time frame, try to put it all together. It's like a puzzle. And when you have all your tools, your fib, your order blocks, your certain session highs, your certain session lows, and then the big figure levels, you're just trying to play a picture on where more than likely might try to move to based off of setups you've seen happen in the past. That's all it really is. And once you simplify it down to a system, you just do the same thing. Sometimes my chart has more stuff on it. Sometimes it's more simple. But at the end of the day, I'm still looking for similar things in price. Here, I'm going to try to declutter some of my chart right now. Got that high there, that high. I'll take this off right now. Yeah, I think that's cool right now. I don't need that much on the chart.
How fast did you go on the jet skis?
Like 44, 45 was that most I've gone. Like I couldn't go past that. Nah, them jet skis was fun. They killed my shoulders, so I got sunburned like a motherfucker. Shit, I'm trying to go back. I'm just grind mode for the next 2-3 months, and I'm moving, bro. Swear to God. I'm about to just run up a bag. Guess how much I spent just going to like Tampa?
Let me guess.
Just me. I just went by myself.
Okay.
But I was with friends though.
Yeah. But let me see. Does it include
Everything. Just everything. Like from when I booked the place to when I came back home.
4 or 5?
It was like 6.
Yeah.
Wild.
Vacation, bro. That's
Shit, bro. That's too much. That's a long. That's like 2. That's like maybe 3-4 months rent. If I would have moved out there, that's how I look at it. I'm like, damn. Like, why'd I do that?
yeah. Then just live out there.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I was so close just to not coming back.
Oh, bro, that would have been the most epic. Yeah,
I had my laptop. I just would have had to get a new mic, new monitors, shit like that. But I had my car and everything down here. I really couldn't have did it.
Well, you know how to you know how to when you're ready for that, you just prepare for it and just freight your car and put all your stuff in your car, and they freight it, and you just pick it up at the freight yard. And
How much does that cost?
my cousin does it from Florida to Phoenix, because they live out in close to the Belglades.
Okay.
Okay, so when and they have real estate in both cities, so might when they want to stay here for a couple of months, they they freight their car essentially. I don't know.
Mm.
I honestly I don't know how much it costs.
Interesting.
They just put all their shit in their car and lock it up.
Nah, that's thorough. I wonder how much it will cost. Because I ain't trying to spend all that money for all that. I just drive it. One drive down. What time is it? We still got about 10, 16 minutes. This song right here that I have on is horrible. It's in my ear. Alright, what are these pairs doing? US30 slowly starting to consolidate after clearing this Asian session high.
Mouse might have that push pretty soon to about 750, 740.
Mm-hmm. I want to see what price says. It's so close to the previous day's high. I just want to see it get tapped into. Then I'm probably going to try to go short with maybe like a 35, 40 point stop. I don't know. I want to go short around the previous day's high. That 750 area. Low key.
My fib off, bro.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, so my 79% was actually your 60, around 65%, 62%. So I
Damn.
so yeah, now it makes sense.
Oh, that's why you're trying to short?
Yeah, but I had my fib a little bit smaller instead of a little bit higher on that whole impulse.
Mm-hmm.
So
One thing to try to make sure is just make sure you always try to draw like, all your fibs on the same time frame.
yeah, now it lines up. Now the 12,800's right at the 79%. So yeah, I see it. Like yeah, it lines up perfectly. That's cool. Okay, sweet. Didn't even. I'm gonna put the little ellipses around where I'm fucking.
That's what I always do. I don't really need it for me. I do it for you guys because it would be so confusing since I always have certain fibs. Hold on, let me check the chat. I haven't even opened the chat. I'm slacking. See what y'all boys saying, if you saying anything. I seen that's flying today with SPX. Shit, I hope so, bro. Missed that pre-open buy for 2.5 points. Gotta enjoy the process, they said. Hey, bro, it's all good. You win some, you lose some. Be grateful that you didn't lose the trade. That's always how I look at it. You could have lost the trade right there. On my way down. Nah, yeah, we just waiting now. I'm almost about to be monetized. I hit my 4,000 watch hours I needed to get hit. Now I just gotta get to 1,000 subscribers and I'm monetized. We lit.
Bro, how much more do you need?
22. We'll make it. I give it like a few weeks, 2 weeks maybe. Depends. I'm gonna get back to uploading consistently, so people might tap back in.
Yeah, dude. What I noticed too, like certain I know you have your topics, but you need to have like just for like a little run, like a week or two run, to like an attention grabber that's not really like live, but because you know how you even post it too, like people will see how to make money, but get a couple views, but then the life spending money as a day trader, you get like a lot of followers, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe you have something where you're like what the lifestyle pays for, what trading can pay for, and then get some followers through that route, or
Shit, I need to do more like live action. That's what I'm trying to move, bro. There's only so much I could do over here. I hate it here. 730. Look at these fib levels I just got. 770, and then right here is 7800. This is like the fib short from this high to this low, like the range that we're currently in. Yeah, I think there's still room to push higher. I'm gonna be patient, at least until 730, 750 area, and that's right above. Damn, 730 already got hit. Ooh, what the fuck? I forgot the two charts are different. God damn it.
Can't forget too though that we got news at 10,
Oh yeah, we do. That's a reversal sign.
so that might be the bullish momentum up to 10 o'clock, 12,800.
Yeah, I'm about to see. US30 ain't no way it's not gonna clear all this liquidity. I need to see it clear it. It's too clean. Too clean. Look at that. It's look, everyone is going short in here, bro. Everyone and their mom is like, oh my god. Oh my god. All this in here, bro. All this in here, bro. They're like, oh my god. This is what they're thinking. Yeah. That's what they're thinking, bro. This is what I'm thinking. Yeah.
That's an extra 50 pips.
Exactly, bro. After they get stopped out, and then it's gonna run down because I'm gonna be with the banks. Like one thing I noticed, bro, I just be watching the chart sometimes, observing, especially when I'm trading alone and not live and nothing. Like when I was on vacation, I was trading alone a few of the times. And I'm just with myself. I'm just thinking, I'm like, damn, I just watched this move. I was in this move like yesterday, bro. I had a 1 to 3 trade. I was up 3%, but I was targeting a certain area. It was 12,700. And I was only like 30, 40 points away. And then it came all the way and stopped me out break even from being up 3%. So I was like, damn. And then I like realized I was in that trade for maybe an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, holding that trade, trying to get to CP4 at that target I've been holding for, just for it to go against me. And when the banks got in, it wiped everything I did in a matter of like a minute, 2 minutes. And I'm like thinking like, damn, when it's really, that's why when I said the other day, you notice when we take trades and they're good trades, they usually happen fast. Because we're playing on the sides that the big money is, and we're getting in when they're trying to get away as far from their entry. Makes sense?
Yeah.
That's how I look at it. All right, we gonna have to watch out for this area because we're now stalking. That 750 area is right above the Asia session high, right at that 62%. But I want to see this previous day's high get cleared. So ideally, 70.50% is where I would really want to get in, just to like be safe. Stop loss wise, I have like about 50 points if I can, but I also want to try to get in at 12,800 just in case it does try to tap into it. But I'm not gonna try to be no Superman right now. I'm gonna see. We gonna see.
The fact that, wasn't it pretty cool that still someone made like 0.2% in a month?
Not no cap, bro. Making anything.
They didn't lose money. Yeah, they didn't lose money this past month. That was the fucking first time trading an indice
Who did it?
that I actually made a little bit of money.
Oh, you.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro. It's all possible. It definitely is. Even if it's small amounts, small amounts are a lot depending on how much money you have.
yeah. Just it's the fact that I'm getting better over time, and I see it.
Yeah, bro. It's just a process. Once you realize it's a journey, you stop trying to rush it. You just take the time. You do what needs to be done every single day. And when you get to that point where you start elevating, it happens. It's not gonna be like that one point where you're like, damn, I made it. It's gonna be gradual. So that's one thing you kind of just gotta learn over time. We're pushing. Is US30 pushing? Not yet. We gonna see what happens, man. I'm ready. I'm ready for this. And we're going into the open. Come on, MetaTrader load. Load.
Is it lagging?
Yeah, I got it now though.
Yeah, I'm gonna be patient, bro. It's not even the open yet.
You still got a little bit of time. I'm just trying to get my MetaTrader ready.
Same, actually. I had a .25 lot. I would have been sick, bro, if I would have hit a sell, and it's
Mm-hmm.
not even 1%.
Damn, this is coming up, but US 30 is not trying to move. It's making me nervous that once we start to, we might just drop US 30 and then just drop here out of nowhere. And then I might not be able to catch it because I'm trying to wait for it to come a little bit higher. It's cool. I'll catch you. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. You know how? Because I'm going on the lower time frames now. And I'm stalking. Damn, I keep forgetting to have that shit on. I'm just keeping in mind, we just cleared this agent session high. So if we try to create a bearish engulfing after clearing this high, or if we tap into this 12,750, or because the 62% is still pretty close. It's right here at the 750. So I'm thinking 750. Damn, it's like hard because like 800 is right there. And I know damn well if I get in at 750, put my stop loss at 800 and get stopped out and it comes all the way back down, I'm going to be sick. Because I'm just watching how it's reacting in this area and it's making me think it wants to go short. So we can maybe tap into a wick and start coming lower. It's going to make me want to try to go short with a stop loss thinking we're going to come lower. But that's why I want to watch US 30. See how US 30, because if US 30 starts to fall, it might fall before NAS and give me that early confirmation. So we're at 218 on US 30. I'm gonna watch that at the top. See if it starts going any lower. Yeah, look at that. That's a bearish engulfing I'm talking about in the making. The struggles of trading right here. Never known when to get in. You never know when you're gonna be right. Never know when you're gonna be too early, too late.
I just stop loss the pip amount risk.
Ooh, USA looks like it's trying to push.
On US 30.
Ooh, nice. Oh yeah, you're not done yet, are you? You still want to go higher. You're not done yet. Yeah, you're not done yet. Go to that previous high.
Hell yeah.
It's about to be the open too. I think we'll get a push, and then a wick to the downside.
That liquidity grab push, and then the actual.
There we go. There we go. There goes US 30. Cleared them agent session highs. Go to that previous day high. NAS isn't trying to go up yet. Okay, there we got that open volatility now. 750, I might think about going short. 750, but 800 is the best target, in my opinion. Short wise. And I went short at 750.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a 50-point stop. It is a little bit risky, but I do know that there are multiple confirmations for why I think it will go where it's gonna go. So whatever happens, happens, right?
Yeah.
If I take this L, I'll potentially think about getting in a last trade on 12,800. But if not, it is what it is. I'll take the 1L.
Good patience 200, honestly, because you could have gotten in at 12,720 when it had, the little pullbacks 12,730.
Yeah, I'm just trying to wait, but I'm waiting for the open. So the open's either gonna really push it down or push it all the way up. So we'll see. I'll eat the drawdown if it comes to like a little bit of a higher thing, but as long as it doesn't stop me out, that's all that matters. And I type this all myself. Oh, yeah, it's trying to push. It might just come up there. Make sure my stop loss in there. Yeah, it's trying to push. It might just come to that 800 level. Damn, I might have to think about if I want to re-enter. Just call it a day. Damn. Yeah, it's pushing. The bullishness is taking over. I'm gonna just have to see how it reacts at 12,800, and if that doesn't react, then this shit is a goner, and I'm dead. I'm just watching how these fib levels are playing out. It's like reacting, but it's not strong enough reaction. What's US30 doing? US30's trying to fall, but it's not doing what I need it to. But that's why I wanted to. The US30 is doing exactly what I wanted to see, though. Clear those highs and fall. So I want to see if NAS can follow along with it. It might tap into 800 before then, but I have a mental stop loss. It's not a hard stop loss right now, just in case it does tap into it and just falls. Worst comes to worst, I'll just eat slightly more drawdown and just won't take a second trade. We're coming up. Should I cut it and get a better entry or leave it? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a second entry at this high with a little bit more risk. So now I'm not gonna take a second trade. I'm just gonna keep the same trade idea, and if it doesn't play out, then I take the loss of 2 trades. But the way US30 is playing out and the way NAS looks, I know more than likely it's probably gonna try and fall. If not now, then in the future. So I took another short right up here by 800, but it's a small position. This is 1/3 of what I have right now with another 50-point stop. Same trade idea. This is either gonna be not dumb. I still got the risk to risk, so it's not really gonna kill me. But if it plays out, ooh, it's gonna be a good time.
Yeah, dude, I still got one trade on, and I was like, fuck, it's like 0.75% risk. So all I did was raise the stop loss up to 833. So now it's like instead of 1%, it's like 1 point almost 6% risk, 1.65, 1.7.
Yeah, bro. I just want to see this drop. I know, like, I'm looking at US30. I'm just like, damn, why are you being like this right now? That's what I'm saying, bro. Like US30, look at this. This is doing exactly what I wanted to see. It's always one thing I notice is this pair, one of these pairs always does what I want to see. Yeah, I'm gonna move this closer to right here, and I'm gonna just take off the other one, just because it's kind of fucking my head up. But I'm just watching to see how this reacts at this 800 level. If it doesn't hold 800 level, then I'm more than likely just gonna call it a day. Take this little bit of a big loss, but right now it's trying to hold. So
US30 just fell 100 pips in 3 minutes.
I'm just waiting for NAS right now, man. Make sure I got these stop losses on. This 800 level.
Just dropped. It literally almost tapped 800.
There.
5 pips.
Alright, there we go. Alright, I got my stop loss and everything in place. Now I just gotta wait for this drop. Because I know it wants to happen. It's just a matter of time. We'll see how it reacts. This 800 level is gonna basically tell me what I want to know. Alright. There, where's 800? Right there. Need a horizontal line there so I can tell where it is. And this shit wants to push. US 30's having this retracement. And that's just not trying to fall. Watch. Soon as if I end up getting stopped out, it's gonna drop afterwards. Guarantee you. I already know how these pairs be, man. They like to finesse me. But we'll see what happens. I just want to see how we drop from 12,800 or reacting. I'm just waiting for it.
Yeah, looks like there's a push.
Yeah, it's trying to push higher. I don't know where it's gonna push to. The only place I have is this other day's high, so that's a big range. So I'm fine. If I get stopped out here, I'd rather get stopped out here than up here. Nothing really in between besides 850, but even then, that's like an extra 20 points just from that. Price wants to fall. It's just doing its thing right now. US 30 is losing that momentum. It's back at that Asian session high. Damn, this open was type ass.
No, not really, bro, because you had called the 800 level. If we would have got in at the 800, like,
Yeah.
at the 800, not 9.
I'm talking about like volatility wise though. It's not really moving. It's kind of just moving. Like right now it's kind of it's going down, so it's not really hasn't moved in anywhere in a sense because it went up and now it's coming back down. So if you look at it maybe on like the 15-minute candle for like what's happening, this is what it is. It just pushed up and now it's just retracing. Is this a 930 candle? Yeah. I don't know. We gonna see. I need it to drop first though for me to feel good about it.
Yo, at least 1 to 1.
Exactly, bro. At least break even. I haven't lost yet, but closer to losing than winning. See, come on, bro. Look, bro. Come on, bro. Like, should I have traded US 30? Look how clean US 30 is. Should I? Everything I'm doing right now with US 30s is like, oh my god. Like, look at what I called though, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Like, come on, bro. It's exactly what I wanted to see. Shit. And then this is there we go, slowly, but not what I wanted at first, bro. Let this just turn into the wick I was talking about from 800. You fucking shithead pair. Just go to hell. Go to 12,600. Just do that for me, please. I want to see if US 30 clears these lows down here. I'm gonna keep holding ass until we at least go to 12,600. Or I might just take it off at 1 to 3. I don't know if I should finesse myself again. Every time I try to. You said what?
Did any of your trades close out?
Nah, I'm still good.
Oh, hell yeah.
Where's my 1 to 3? 1 to 3 is right down here. That's kind of perfect. All right, perfect. I might low-key just get out there with a runner. I think I might do that. And if it keeps falling, I'm good. Come on, we need this TP1 hit.
Fuck, I'm so glad I didn't put a hard stop at 800, bro. That would have made my stomach. I put it at 833 above the liquidity. So I was like, if it goes up higher, it's gonna shoot up higher after it grabs liquidity at least a little bit. So I was like, nah.
Mm-hmm.
Ranging. Come on.
Telling you, bro.
Decide to
It's
go.
just being garbage. I'm just waiting to break even. Oh man, let's see, man. US30's reacting. Unless it's gonna try to go higher now, have that London continuation for US30. But even then, I want NAS to still fall then for that London continuation. I don't want it to just push now because US30's pushing. Damn, it's not even gonna have the retracement for it. That's crazy. It better not. It better fall, bro. Like, I'm cool with it going higher. I just want it to at least retrace first. That's all. That's all I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, I might take some of these fibs on
Cause it's not like I'm not bullish. I am bullish on it. Like that. That's not the thing. It's just I'm short term bearish. Or maybe this is that retracement that US30 had that dropped that we're getting for NAS. Shit, I hope so. I'll let it come back to 12,800 one more time. If it starts trying to push above that high, I might just call it quits. I ain't even gonna bother. I'll save the risk for another day, man.
take the L and walk away.
Okay. Because it's not like I don't know it's gonna drop. I know it's more likely gonna drop because of US30. It's just no volume. The lack of volatility right now. It's just ranging. What's S? Yeah, look at this. I just wanted to drop. That's all. SPX. What you doing? Even SPX is trying to fall, bro. Like, come on, bro. About to punch on you, Nas. I'm about to go down to Wall Street and start punching on y'all.
Tech is doing good. They're trying to hold up.
They're not trying to drop it, bro. They're just trying to fake people out, accumulating all these orders. Jesus.
There's a lot of orders at.
It's a 12,800. It's like that area, 12,750 to 800.
I'm on the seven hundred. I'm at the volume profile and I'm looking up like where the orders are, and there's like a big line at 12,700. So that might be the pullback before the bullish momentum. Maybe I don't know. I don't know.
There we go. Alright, so that first position I had is now up 30 points. Once I get to up 50, I'm breaking even. Only up 26 right now, though. 25. Rest in peace. Damn. Alright. Wick City. That's nice. Alright, what are we doing over here? Still in the same place, damn near. It's trying to fall, but this rejecting. Oh my god. Price wants to go higher. It wants to go higher, bro. From what I'm witnessing, this shit just wants to go higher right now. Everything it's doing is going higher. Unless right now this is the candle to really break us down. Like, cause both of these look like they want to drop. But if they just turn into another wick, bro, might be runts. Might be runts for the shorts. Let's see, cause there's a lot of liquidity all below these lows over here for US30. Could just run it and have a false break though. Yeah, just nope. Alright, nice. Damn, back in the drawdown, bro. Shit. This shit is horrible. 12,800 if we don't react and just retrace after that. I'm just calling it a day. No kizzy, cause I ain't about to sit here through all this bullshit. US30 had the move I was looking for. SPX trying to fall still too. Like there's so much liquidity down here for US30. I'm just mad Nas is on that bullshit. Like US30 is more than likely gonna keep falling. I wish I was on US30 on it right now. Nas, you are on some bitch shit. What is, you haven't even retraced yet, bro. Like what are you doing? You're slacking bad. Like look at this, bro.
Damn, US 30,
Like, bro, what are you doing, Nas? Like shit, US30 was clean as fuck, and Nas, you're doing some bullshit, bro. Bullshit. Straight shit. Damn, bro. Yeah, Nas, you been on some bullshit, bro. You just finessed me today. You got me. I'm still in, but you finessing me, bro. Finessing my feelings, finessing my confidence, all of the above. And they're just doing opposites right now. That's what's crazy. Like this shit got me ready to put even more fucking leverage on this position at this point. Cause if it doesn't drop at this point, bro, I'm going to Wall Street and I'm punching them, bro. I'm gonna just have to punch on them, bro. I'm like I'm like, you a broker? Come here real quick. Come here real quick, bro. There we go. Shit. Like look at US30, bro. If Nas doesn't play out like this, I'm holding this shit, bro. I don't care. I'm holding this. This is going all the way to my TP because now that this is happening, it just ran all these lows. So this is a reversal day at this point. So it should potentially keep on coming lower. And if we look at the higher time frames, it's all bearish. All that wick still needs to be filled in. All this.
I'm gonna have a hard take profit at
Bro, I'm gonna punch this shit, bro. What the fuck? This is really crazy to me.
550. No, I'm gonna do 450. Fuck that. 450 hard take. No, because if it's gonna have its reversal day today,
I'm doing it all the way to like 650, 700 area.
to take profit or to like,
Take profit.
Okay.
Like around 12, 625 around there.
You don't think it's gonna go lower than that?
It could.
You're just taking profit where the
Yeah.
liquidity lies, huh?
Not even just so I can get out. I don't even want to be in this trade no more. It's just annoying me.
Okay.
I'd rather just get out than be in. If it goes lower, it goes lower. But right now I'm just in this big ass range and it's annoying me. When US30's over here fully playing out and S&P is playing out more than fucking Nas right now. I'm just waiting for it to finally play. And it's just taking forever. Like this is a 1 minute time frame at that, bro.
Oh.
Like shit, bro. It's one of them days, I guess. US30. Sometimes I wonder why I went to NAS, and then sometimes I wonder why I ever traded you. It's a love-hate relationship, man. Because this was exactly what I wanted to see. This was perfect. Perfect example. Perfect. And then this, I don't even know what the fuck this is at this point. I'm just glad it's doing it inside this fib, at least. It's making me believe it's still gonna go short, but it's like, bro, I feel like it's just gonna try and come stop me out before it does. Now it's just creating all this liquidity to grab to then false break and come lower if it doesn't retrace already.
Yeah, we got news coming out too in about 9 minutes, so there's gonna be.
Oh yeah, and we got news. Rip. I need water. Shit, man. I know what to do. Haven't done this trick in a while. See if it still works. Just like that. Come on. You like the candles, don't you? Candles. That's what I'm saying, bro. No, it's going the other way. I'm not sure it's working. It went against me. I'm turning these off. Not what I wanted. Bro, like Jesus, bro. What the fuck? What is this? This is dog shit. Exactly. Like, it's just making. And now this is Jesus, bro. If this flips bullish, I'm retiring. I'm gonna have to just retire at that point, bro. Cause that's ridiculous. Damn, bro. Like, what is happening? I need it to be here. Look. So perfect. So perfect, bro. Like bears, just kick in. Just kick in and eat it. Just eat it.
Damn.
Shit is crazy.
Don't take out those. Stay lower. Stay a little lower.
Shit, at this point, I gave up. I just came to the conclusion I probably just lost, so it is what it is. Oh, US30 is probably gonna have a push for a pullback, and if it keeps pushing, that's probably gonna push with it, even though it didn't have a pullback. So, yeah, that's that.
Highs were just taken.
Hey man, if it's gonna reverse, it has to do it now, bro. Because at this point, my stop loss is just getting closer and closer. It looks like it wants to, but shit, it looked like it wanted to the whole time. Maybe not. US30 looks like it's trying to lose momentum again. We will see. Is this the last false break before the drop, or is it just another finesse? Damn, bro. Ness was not the pair to trade today. That's all I gotta say. Yeah. It might just come all the way up. Fuck it. So L today looking like I'm mentally out of it. That's cool. We be back tomorrow. If it plays out, but I'm about to be done looking at this shit, bro. Just let it stop me out, cause shit. It's just going against me, even though everything else wanted to play. But it is what it is. Ain't shit I could do about it.
Gotta just kiss this one.
Yeah. Kiss it goodbye. That's just goner.
8, fall 8 times, stand back up 9.
No cap. Good shit. It's not even at the 800 low. That's what I'm saying. At this point, it's just gonna keep going to all the way up here. Like, unless it just has a fucking just a bearish engulfing and gets right back below this 800 level, the likelihood of this playing out is so unlikely. Especially now that it's closing above this big figure level. Even though everything had a pullback of some sort and is still dropping, Nast doesn't want to. Ain't that some shit? At this point, I think the news is probably more likely to stop me out.
That's wishful thinking though. So yeah, that's reality. Shit happens. Okay, so take that in.
I'm just chilling now. Whatever happens, happens. I'm done.
How else was Tampa?
What you mean?
Did you go on any of the boats?
Not the boats. Nah, I ain't get to go on the boat.
How was the food there?
It was good. I had this food truck. It was like a Spanish food truck. That shit was slamming.
Was it more authentic or was it kind of like designer?
That was pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, bro, what is this price doing? This is on bullshit. Like, bro, why? Like, this is making me so angry that this is so perfectly clean. And then I just have to deal with this. Like, why? Why, bro? Why, man? One time. It's cool. Fuck it.
I think we could have had more discipline on that 800 entry.
Yeah, we definitely could have.
But then again, if we entered at 800, it would just been cruising around our entry anyways. It wouldn't
Yeah, I
have
would have
felt
been at break
like
even
this.
right now anyway, so I'm either. Regardless, it's choppy, so. Like, it's not like this area that I had. Look where it is. It's all accumulated there anyway. Just cleared. Like I said, create all this liquidity to come up and clear it to then maybe fall. I'm just hoping this 50-point stop loss is enough. And this high is the last buy side liquidity I was trying to get before trying to seek sell side. Because now we have all this down here, all this here that I want to see get cleared. But with the way this is looking, bro, this doesn't look like it wants to do it.
Anyway, hey,
There goes again.
hell yeah. Oh,
Oh, finesse again.
mama. Nah, bro, you can't be doing this.
Oh, it's the 10 o'clock news, that's why. Alright, let's see, man. Where are you gonna go, bro? Are you gonna keep going low or are you gonna turn into a wick? I'm not fooled yet. Alright, at least we're somewhat in profit now, back to break even. Now, road to TP1. Shit, man. Still got a ways to go. The 800 level would have been the best entry, but you live and learn. Still not out the game yet. Come on, get to TP1, bro. Let me get out at least break even on this shit, man, cause this is not worth. Just not worth. Alright, I'm fully out of drawdown. TP1 about to get hit. That was wild, but there goes the bearishness I wanted. Remember when I said it happens fast? I told you that 10 o'clock news was a good sign. At least I'm pretty far away from. Yeah, I'm 40 points in profit for first, second position. Let's hope this just doesn't flip bullish now on some weird shit. Cause shit, I'm not even break even yet. Let's just stay below 750.
TP1, go. Boom.
It's so close, it didn't even hit it.
Shit.
Better not do some dumb shit, bro. I'm gonna be sick. Cause I ain't breaking even till I get past that, bro. I'm not about to deal with all this. Yeah, ain't that some shit? It might be trying to go bullish now. I hope not. But the way this US30 is looking, is having the same setup I'm looking to take, just a bullish version. S&P too. Don't flip bullish now, bro. I honestly just feel like getting out this trade. It's going bullish, bro. It's going bullish. TP1 missed by 5 points. Now I'm slowly going to draw down again. Yeah. Rest in pieces, bro. Rest in pieces. I can't win. Nas, you aren't letting me win today, are you? Like shit. This is crazy.
Yeah, dude. I'm having like a feeling in my stomach where it's like kind of you see that wick rejection wick, and it's like, huh?
Shit keeps on playing, bro. Like I still think it wants to go short, but it's like it's just ranging crazy. Like I'm telling you, the 750 range to 800 is just range. It's accumulation. I'm just hoping that this high up here is the high, because it's cleared the liquidity. So if this comes up, clears liquidity, at that point I'm just thinking we're in bearish structure and we're just gonna keep pushing and doing the same thing. Clear buy side liquidity, come down, retrace, clear buy side liquidity, retrace, and keep going. But if we at least retrace and this high doesn't get ran through, then we could be good. But probability wise, I don't know at this point, because the market's not been doing what I've been expecting today. So
Started a new challenge, not a challenge, but like a count demo account,
one more count.
because now I'm like, oh, okay, I want to delete last month. I was break even essentially, so now this month I just need to cut out my revenge trading. If I cut out my revenge trading on my losing days, I will preserve a lot more capital. So
Yeah, bro, it's just the losing days. You just gotta take the 1L and call it a day. And the winning days, just take the 1W and call it a day. And just over time, the losses will be overcome by the wins. But you just gotta remain disciplined enough to then do that. Like right now, like this shit, bro, you gotta be disciplined enough to still hold your trade and not get out at too early or late. At least just take the full loss or full W.
yeah,
And right now, it's just on bullshit. I lost hope. I lost hope with this shit. I just want to get to TP1. That's all I want. Like it's trying. Until I'm at TP1, I'm not going to be swayed by this bullshit. Because every time I thought it was going to go lower, I've been capped. There we go. Now it's looking more promising. Come on, bro. I just want to see it keep going lower. There's a lot of potential in this trade, and I at least want to get my 1 to 3. That would be amazing. All right, almost at TP1. Let's not reject again.
I'm moving stopwatch right above those highs now that it's pushing low, because I don't want to.
All right, TP1 just got hit. Break even that position here. Now I gotta wait for it to come a little bit lower to break even my first position. TP2 is where I'm gonna break even my other position. Alright, let's keep dropping though. Let's not retrace, bro. Please. I'm not trying to deal with it. so much liquidity to grab. I'm just waiting for it to just keep seeking. Like US30, like bro, every time I look at US30, I get mad. I'm trading ass. Shit, like look how clean this is. Just dropping, dropping, and dropping. That's what I need from right here. There we go. Keep on dropping.
Right on, there it is. That's what we needed. 10 o'clock news.
Okay, I told you the 10 o'clock news is always like reversal. And look, this is something I've peeped over time. Look at that.
10 o'clock news. If anybody got in for those buys for 9:30 to 10, that's 30-minute trade. There's probably a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 setup there for any buys. Now it's time to go short.
Yeah, it's looking like price is trying to hold this Asian session high, which is not what I'm liking. Trying to at least get to my second TP before we get a fucking retracement already, bro. Like, damn, please. Like, we just started falling. Thank you. Shit.
Where could it retrace to into that order block? On the
Back into this range, more than likely. All the way back up here to around entry. Cause like part of me just wants to break even a second position just to get out. But hold on, we about to hit it. I'm about to hit the area. Alright. TP1 just hit on the other pair. I'm officially break even on everything. Now I'm just waiting for 12,600. Alright, now let me just keep scoping this and make sure I don't get stopped out at fucking break even on a retracement. That would be so sad.
But at least you're zero.
That's what I'm saying. Regardless what happens, I'm cool with what I'm at.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. It's under 700 now. That's a good sign.
Oh yeah, we falling. Just keep on falling though. We're at 700 level, which is probably somewhere you would want to take some off, in my opinion, but I'm not at my TP area, so I'm waiting for it to at least come a little bit lower to right here. And it could go against me, but I'm hoping I'm in enough profit to where we can hit this TP before retracing. US30 is trying to retrace too. Yeah, they're gonna start to retrace. Damn.
12 a.m. opens right there at 12,675 or
Yeah, I'm trying to get back below it. I'm trying to get back below it.
I'm gonna try to scale a little bit out. As soon as it gets under 12 a.m. open, I'm gonna take 2%, at least try to take 2% off or something off there at that level.
Yeah, I'm trying to take most of it off right down here, right at this 625. That's where I'm trying to take it all off, right in that area. I'll leave a runner from there, but it just has to come a little bit lower. Just clear these lows. Don't retrace yet. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Fuck a retracement. Keep dropping. Show these buyers who they messing with. Show these buyers who they messing with. Look how close, what much drawdown we were in. We are not going back up, bro. Dumb buyers are not taking over again. I will punch them in the face, bro. Everyone has a plan until they get punched, and you ain't sure. You ain't about to buy shit. I'm gonna punch on you when you try to press the buy button. You selling right with me. Yep, keep falling. Keep on dropping, just like that. That's what I like to see. Go to my TP, little stupid. Stupid bitch. Stupid bitch. But look, remember what I said about how it moves fast when it wants to play out? Look at the price action now compared to earlier. when the banks got in compared to when retail got in to when they came in, stopped them out, push it down.
Made so much money off of dummies, off of dummies.
No cap. I'm trying. Come on, clear this
Off
low
of
right here. I'm
dummies,
trying
off
to
of
see these lows
dummies.
right here get cleared to the left. Once we clear those lows, ooh, we're in territory to start looking to take partial soon. But I'm trying to hold it, bro. It looks like it wants to retrace, but I'm not where I want to be at, profit wise. So we hold. Come on, bro. Keep on dropping. Clear them lows. Clear them fucking lows, bro. I'm about to be up 2%. About to be up 3% actually, but about to be up at my TP too. Just want these lows cleared.
They might be coming inbound pretty soon.
It's trying to retrace. But I'm just hoping that it might be accumulating just to fake them out just like that. Come on, clear them lows. It's so close on FTMO. So close. It's right there. It's right there. I just want to see this low get cleared. All right, I'm up at my... Damn, should I take some or should I wait for the 600? I don't want to wait for 600. It's so close. What's the other pairs doing? That'll tell me. They're all dropping too. There's a lot of room, in my opinion. But it's only a matter of time before we get a retracement. Yeah, I don't know. Part of me wants to... it's not... I'm not up at that TP no more. I don't know. I might have to withhold a retracement first in order to get to my TP. I think that's what might have to happen in order for me to get out this trade. I'm gonna have to go through a retracement first. I think that's what's gonna have to happen. So if that's what has to happen, I have to take the risk and see what happens, man. $750. Yeah, my entries are high enough above that. Nah, if it comes to the back to the 79 to 62% retracement, it's over. Just keep falling. Fuck buyers. Come on, keep on dropping. Just like that. Just like that. Go to 600. Up 3.5. Nope. Got a notification. Come on, bro. Oh, yeah. We dropping. We about to hit 4. We about to hit 4. Come on, come on. We about to hit 4. Almost. Damn, come on. So close to the TP, bro. So close. So close. Don't react here, bro. It's so close. Like, you want to come lower. It's so damn close. Once we tap that order block, I have my TP there on my one position on my majority scale. I'm going to take it off there. And then I'm going to take 90% of my other runner off and leave a runner. Up 4.2%. Come on, just a little bit lower, bro. A little bit, because I added at the top, mind you. I added at 800.
Yeah, oh yeah, second position. Yeah, yeah, no, that's still a good position.
That's what I'm saying, because I knew it wanted to fall, but it's like... Oh, we're at 650. Part of me just wants to take some off, bro. I don't know if I want to hold it. I just want to... It's so close, but I already know what happens when I hold and get cocky. I think when I get to 4.5, I might take some off. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we up right now. 4.6. We're close. We're so close. So close. So close. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. So close. So close. Come on. Come on, bro. He's right at it, bro. Few more points. I'm up 5%. Few more points. I'm taking part of my runner off now. I don't even care. I'm gonna let the other one hit my TP, but I'm taking majority off here. Took that runner. That one's about to hit TP. And come on. Come on. Come on. I'm taking it off. I don't give a fuck. At 3. I want to take it off at 3.5%. Fuck, it can't retrace a little bit. 3.5 is what I'm trying to take it all off at. Damn, it started retracing. I'm taking it off. Eat my dick. I don't even care. Eat my dick. Eat my dick.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Come on, bro. That's what I want to wait. That's what US 30 did that I was waiting for. That's how you do it. One trade. Kinda. 2 positions, 1 trade, 150 points in profit. Still holding. Stop playing, bro.
I'm up 1% for the day, dude. For me, that's good because of all. I just took 1 trade, but I also had to fucking go through anxiety.
Bro, that was hectic right there.
Still, for me, that's. I feel like that's a successful trade. I didn't lose nothing today. I have a runner. So shit, fuck it.
Stay at 31st. I know it's June. Yeah, I'm up 4.6% for the day, holding a runner of 150 points. Now that was a clean ass trade.
If this was the reversal before the bearish move on a higher time frame down low, bro, you got in, took your percentage.
Mm-hmm.
Could technically keep it break even and wait for it to.
Shit, I'm up 160 now. That's what I'm saying. I'm just leave it. Whatever happens, happens. If it keeps running, where's it gonna run to? I want to see it clear these lows. If it's clear, comes to clear these London lows, then I'll probably take some. I'll probably take my runner off and like take even more of my runner off at 200 points. But it could have a reaction here, so I'm just gonna take all this off. Oh yeah, it's falling. Take all this off so I can look at it clean. But yeah, that was the trade right here. Look at it. Got in a little bit early, but the idea still is the same. We're at that 50% of the order block. Look at it. Look how it's reacting. But now we are up 163 points. 40 more points, and I'm probably just gonna take my runner off. That's risk reward for you. Risk reward for you. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna journal this trade. Here, I took out majority of it all. At how many points in profit? 108. No, 160. Right here. I technically took it off right here. Like, it wasn't even there technically. I think because my entry was a little bit different. Nah, this was the trade right here that I was able to catch. Look at that. Even though what we went through that bullshit, it played out nonetheless. So here, now I'm going to show you guys me journaling this trade. Man, I've been slacking with my journaling trades when I was on vacation in daily ranges. Glad I can get back to it.
Yeah, dude, you could have a back testing session with the students too, and then just journal those trades from the back testing. That's what I do sometimes when I forget to like go 3 days in a row
True.
without journaling. I'll back test it and just journal, make sure that the trades line up to where the same trades I did, but go back and just kind of overview it.
Nah, I feel you. But here I'm journaling the trade. It was NAS 100 was a pair, bearish New York reversal, confirmation, big figure level above the 50%. Did we have an order block rejection? We might have. False break. Let me go check to see if there was an order block rejection on maybe a higher time frame. 1 hour. I mean, kind of. The Asian session high. If you go to the Asian session, if you go to 1 hour, it's kind of like a order block. Oh no, the 4 hour order block we tapped into. Okay, yeah, 4 hour order block. So it was an order block that I didn't even realize. It was a green day. Damn, I didn't even journal my trade yesterday. I got to do that after this. It was a 1 to 3 trade, and I am up plus 4.6%. And then I have the screenshot. Notes to self: be patient, hold to TP and stop loss. That's good to know, because if I didn't hold the TP or stop loss, I wouldn't have held this whole trade. And look how much drawdown we were in. I got real close. Here, now I'm gonna put it back to over here. Yeah, that's really it. That was my trading for the day. Very stressful. Now I feel like smoking and just laying down and crying. Yeah. That's how I'm feeling right now. That's how I'm feeling now. That's how I'm feeling now, bro.
Bro, you got a 4.5% gain?
Yeah, 4.6. But I'm technically up maybe like 4.8 with my runner.
That's 4.8 grams in the blunt. Not as kidding.
Oh yeah. I don't even think I can fit that much in my papers. Now we're gonna see where this runs to. 12,600 is ideally another good target. 12,600 all the way down to these London lows. You said what?
How was that one fucking 2 foot?
Bro, we filled it all up. We smoked it, and when we were on the balcony, my friend was hitting it. The end came off like the cherry of the blunt, and then it all slid out onto someone's balcony. Sad time, bro. It was all bud, just all bud, grinded up, just on their balcony. Next morning, they swept it all up into a pile. I was like, yeah, I ain't going down there. They gonna be like, damn, cause bro, it was a lot. It was probably like maybe 20, 30 grams. Yeah, like it's a lot. And I was just like, nah, bro. It's runts. I ain't telling them. They gonna have to. They can keep it.
Yeah, smoky guys.
Nah, real shit, bro. Nah, I'm gonna stay on this for like 5 more minutes, just while I post on Instagram the shits, man. Another day in the office.
Another day at the office. Fuck yeah. And that's the bearish momentum push. So technically, bro, even if you lost your runner, you still made 4.5 fucking percent.
Exactly, bro. I still have a runner too. Like I don't care. Birthday. That's it. Closing the back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. I hope it's gonna be nice today. I'm trying to go to the gym now. Oh yeah, it was a good trading day. I cannot complain. It was stressful, but worth the stress nonetheless.
I'm just looking at the trade, bro, and we had called it. You called it 79% fib retracing. To the 800 level.
And a false break of the high. Like shit. Look at US30. US30 I caught too. Look at that. Like damn, bro. I should have been here. You know what my risk reward would have been?
Probably like a 1 to 6.
1 to 6, maybe 1 to 7, maybe. Like damn, this is nice, bro. That's a crazy clean setup. Cause all that liquidity. Look at the 15-minute, bro. Look how clean it's gonna look. Look at that. Tapped into this order block right up here. Ooh.
Actually, I feel like it went a little bit higher, like right at the edge of the order block, but it held it and then just dripped. That's the banks, though, bro.
It's still dropping. Like, damn, I'm up 180, 180 points. Yeah, if I were to take it all off, like right now, I'll probably be up almost. If I take up two, yeah, I'll be close to like 4.9%. I'm gonna have my TP at. I might just have it take it out at 600 low key. Just so I can get fully out and just take my percentage for the day.
That sets you up for the rest of the week.
Yeah.
Good discipline.
Yeah, we back to break even for the week. A little bit up more. We're up more now. That was cool.
Even 1% losses on Thursday and Friday, you're still up 2.5 for the week.
Oh yeah, I'm cool.
Bro, and you take good trades, so this might just be a first winning trade for the rest of the week too.
Yes,
so.
sir. Just the beginning.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this. I'm holding it down to 250. Fuck it.
250? God damn.
Oh,
Shit.
not 250. My bad. Fuck it.
I was about to say, God, you gonna have to hold for a minute. 250? That shit. 400 points. Shit. Even then, that's still a far away. I don't got the patience for that.
Shit, I feel like it made 1% on this move. 1% off this move. If I could just hold this runner, and with the lot size it is, it might be a 3% trade. It might turn out to be like a 2% trade, 2-3% trade.
I said could go to 12,800 risky. I be knowing, bro. I be knowing. That's what's crazy. I just see this shit happen so often, bro.
Yeah, I gotta fucking be on that discipline with the entries, because we literally said the trade plan at 12,800, yet when 750 popped up with.
Cause it's sometimes instinctual. You never really know. That's why I hop in.
I just think it's funny, bro, that you called it, and because you see it so much, like.
Just experience.
Yo.
And just understanding the setups, bro. Like, mind you, the same two setups happen every day. What was today?
Wednesday.
No, I'm saying what was today? The setup wise.
Bearish reversal.
Yes, sir. Same shit all the time.
I got someone who's gonna join your lifetime membership coming up pretty soon.
Oh, alright, bet we lit. He gonna join the crew.
Yeah, it's my twin brother.
Oh, alright, bet we lit. We all gonna be lit. He has he traded before?
He has, but yet he did it like a year and a half ago with the retail trading, and he follows you he follows you, he watches it, and when I go into work, he questions me. He's like, "Hey, I heard you guys say this, but then you guys did this, and it ended up being that." He goes, so he just talks to us, and he's like, "The only thing I don't have is that experience marking up the charts," but he's like, "I know what you guys mean by order block, fib, all this stuff." He's like, "It needs to be high confluence." He kind of knows the rules already. He's just like, "I just gotta do it."
Nah, I feel him, bro. It's all about just taking the action, actually trying to learn now. Shit. Yeah, I'm about to be done here. I just posted everything. Like, look, go to my Instagram. I just posted on my main one, the stories. Like, if you go look at that, you'll see like how I called it out.
First day back in my office.
Cash my birthday. Ass shake. You saw the one with the Telegram?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. That's just crazy.
Yeah.
Shit, you basically called it out too. You were here too.
Yeah, but I didn't have a. I didn't. I just had one entry. first entered, and I didn't want to add anymore because I don't know, just trying to stick. I don't know, man. For me personally, like I know you already have your experience, but for me, still kind of learning. And every time I get in on over trading, and it turns into a losing day, I get clapped hard.
Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Like I'm telling you from experience, that when you take a loss, you really have to just leave after that one loss and just call it a day. And you just have to get it as a habit because no matter what, if you take 5 losses back to back, if you're at least only taking one loss a day, when you catch one win, you're gonna make up for majority of those losses. So if your win rate's at least of 50%, you're gonna be good regardless because for every trade you lose, you're gonna win one. And if you for every trade you lose, you win one, you're gonna gain that 1% over. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But it's all about the discipline and psychology within you and mentally with you. I just you know what you're doing trading wise. The trading and psychology discipline is separate. We know how to trade. Now, are you going to be disciplined enough to follow all these things that you already learned to do? Oh yeah, we dropping. Yes, sir.
I had a hard TP at 600. It just got ran through. I'm done.
Yeah,
Thank
mine
you
too.
guys.
I'm up 4.8%. Yes, sir.
Fuck it.
162 points total from that high up here that I caught.
Okay,
So that's valid. Almost a 1-to-4 trade.
that was clean.
And look at this, so nice. US30 played out a little bit nicer, but a US30 was a big ass drop from 277 to 800. Damn, that's 600 points to drop. Shit.
That's a good fucking payday.
Oh god, like even with ours still dropped high from 820 all the way to 5, so almost 600. So about 200 points, which is not 600. Is crazy. It's 3 times as much as what we got. But alright, yeah, I'm about to call it a day, bro. Appreciate you for being here. We lit, had a good trade. Now we on to the next.
Hell yeah, dude. Shit, knew it was a bearish reversal day. Just
Yeah, bro. Just the in betweens was fucking it up, and even the in betweens, we were still able to predict what could potentially happen when we started accumulating at these fib areas, and we had the big figure level. We knew that more than likely it's accumulating orders to run above, clear that sells the buy side liquidity, to then melt. And look,
right at 10. News 2.
and the news. Remember I told you I said when you said there's 10 o'clock news, I said that's a good reversal sign.
Hell, are you all out? You got a runner?
I'm all out.
Damn, it ran through TP3.
Yeah, it's all good. I'm cool with being all out. I'll be back tomorrow. I'd rather hold long positions than hold like a short, because it's only so long that it's probably gonna hold. But that's a clean trade, even though it was stressful. Look at it. When it played out, it finally played out. And it's about to clear this London low, which I should have had this as my TP. But look, for anyone watching, I will get out all right now if you haven't already. And at least leave a runner from here, because I just wanna, Martin, before I leave, just put a thing like a line right at that low and see how price reacts. So what I'm gonna do, I already did everything, so I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna have a line at this low, and later on when I come back from the gym and everything, I'm gonna watch and see how price reacted to this London low, which would have been my all-out target. Just like that, because now it's officially a reversal because the London low is taken now, so it's no longer can push higher and be a London continuation. Invalid now. It's officially a reversal day. That's why I always target the Asian session highs and lows and London session lows and highs when looking for reversal trades. Because look, that would have been the full move you caught. If you would have just hopped in at 800, oh my god, I don't even want to think about it. But yeah, I'm gonna just call it a day, bro. Appreciate you for being here. On to the next. Good shit, good discipline.